Okay, I'm going to show you all the great things about ClassKick. Okay, so in this first slide, you have to make a text box. Okay, so here's the tool for text box. You click. Now, if you click and hold, you can make it the size you want. Okay, meaning the width you want. And so you would then type your name. It says type it in purple, so I forgot to do that now. So I'm going to highlight it and go to the text color and change it to purple. You can also change the background. So if I want the background a lighter purple, I can do that. If I want the background to make it stand out a little more, maybe I want the background to be darker. Okay. You can also change the border. Okay, so say I want then a light purple border, okay, a little hard to see, so you can choose a different color, or maybe the fill was not the right color, so maybe I need to choose just this gray. And then you can clearly see the border, so border color or no border, fill color in the whole text box or no background, the text color. Last thing for text box, okay, make it bigger, there's a limit. Make it smaller, there's also a limit. Okay, so you put the size you want. This, delete. So you see how it turned red right away, reminding me that I was going to delete it if I wanted to. Okay, so those are all your text box tools. What else can you do? Let's see. You can write with a pen. Oop, now I make a mistake, undo. Okay, I didn't like that E at all. Change the color here. Change the weight so I can make this a little thicker if I want to, but maybe I want to highlight that in fact. So that's pen. Now I'm going to go to highlighter, and here's highlight color. Okay, so say we want to do this in red like this was, I can start to highlight it. Say I don't like that, I can undo, and let's go, we'll say pink. All right, so notice the highlight is lighter. It's really not going to cover up your words. Okay, I can change the thickness though, so if I want a thinner or a thicker highlighter. So those are options. Okay. Also the eraser. So if that was terrible, if I went too far and I can't undo it, you can click the eraser and it takes it away. Okay, so anything you click on, you can erase, no matter if it was the last thing you did or not. Text box, we already went over. Here's lines. You can make a line however you want. Here, again, color of line, thickness of the line. Again, there's the delete. So you can make the thickness you want. Not that thickness, a smaller thickness. These would be great for making graphs. Okay, and with the line, you are able to Control Z. See how it said it copied, and then Control V, paste it. It's going to paste it right on top, so you'd have to move it out of the way. Okay, but you can turn it, enlarge it. Okay, adjust the lines how you want. This, which is on right now, is the select tool. So that means I click, I can choose something. So I can move it around. I could choose the text box to move around. Okay. I could choose, you see I can't choose the pen writing, but I can choose a text box or I can choose the lines. Okay. Here I can zoom in. I can zoom back out. Okay. Here again is undo. Remember, this is delete. You might have question options that look like this. Here's to take a picture. Here's the camera. You can upload a file if that's what it asks for, or you can take a picture with the camera. Note, this will not work if you're using one that's embedded in Schoology, so you have to use Chrome. Same with this for microphone. You can start recording, but again, it's only going to work in Chrome. It's not going to work when embedded. Okay. These are fill in the blank type questions where you're going to type your answer in here. You would show your work, using the pen. Okay, like that. All right, the next page, here's where I'm going to the next page. I need to type my answer in here. Now see, I don't want to use this. Okay, I'm going to go back to select so that I can actually type my answer in. Okay, so if you are off on something else and you need to type in a text box, go to select. Here's a multiple choice answer. If you click the wrong one at first, don't worry. Whichever one you have at the end is the one that matters. Here's a moving objects tool. So you are going to move these under the correct word. Okay. And here it says use the pen tool. So put a circle, put a triangle. Okay. So you can do map. Here's graphing. Graphing, it could work pen to put points if you want, or using lines. Okay, that's easy. Here's another multiple choice question. Here it does give you the direction to highlight. So remember that highlight tool, okay, is right here. Here again is recording audio. The last thing I want to go through over here, this is hand. There are two options to raise hand. Please help. It indicates which page you are on. So if you want help on this page, click this. You can type a message down here. I can't record. Press enter. Okay, that says you need help. Click it again, it moves that away. Okay, but it's going to see now the hand is not colored in. So every page that you need help with, you would have to raise that. If your teacher wants you to check something or you want it to be checked, you can put it down, put the green hand up. Now, if you made a mistake, you can do this and put your hand down. Okay, and that indicates that it should come and be checked. Okay, but again, it's going to be page specific. So if you need help on this page, make sure you raise the orange hand. If you want it to be checked, raise the green hand. Okay, and here is where you would see the help that all of your classmates needed. So you could click and help someone if you were finished. Okay, and the last thing I want to show you is this. This is a little waffle here. You can scroll down and it shows you every page in the assignment. So if you don't remember which page you wanted to go back to, oh, this one. So I'm going to click here and go back. You can do it this way, but it just shows you the numbers. So if you don't remember what it actually looked like, that doesn't really help. Okay, so click on the waffle and that will allow you to see all of the slides in an overview. Click on the one you want and there you go. Okay, so that's really an overview of everything you need to know about completing a ClassKick assignment. There's no submit at the end. It's all live.